Right, today's objective on this nice looking but windy day is to do the front brakes. So we got this kit with the help of Richard from Northeast Brakes. He got us, I think it's Mintex C hook discs. We've got Ferodo DS1.11 pads. We've got Hell braided brake lines. So yeah, just in case of getting all this done. It's all the standard setups, all the R53 stuff, but I haven't gone R56 or anything bigger like that. Yeah, we just want to see how these work. And yeah, let's get them on the car. Doing the brakes. Got it on the proper camera because it's got a fluffy thing on it. So you would step too much bit of wind. She's tight. She is tight. That did not want to come off. What we've partly got to do is measure where that rubber thing goes. Get two of these clips. And put them like 1 centimeter this side. So obviously the line gets clipped in there, but that's got some freedom of movement to move obviously when the wheel goes up and down and whatever. It's gone. Already cleaned it. Just they come all oiled up so that they don't rust in the pocket. Carrier. Oh, I don't like the veil. I'm not getting too bad enough for the inside. Yeah. You get the idea. what I like to do is let brakes gravity bleed initially. I find it just takes a bit of work compared to just having something inside the car push the pedal. And already, because I've done that, I've already got a nice firm pedal. Yeah, it just saves a lot of time with the bleeding, I think. But if I take it around. So, as you can see, we've got the C hook or J hook discs. I believe they're from Mintex. The box wasn't marked, but I think they're from Mintex. The pads are box. Gives us a part number on the box, but the pads are DS1.11s. It's basically their race pad, I believe. And yeah, HEL, HEL, braided brake hoses. And I like this idea up here. So obviously you've got the rubber boot that hold it to the shock, but you've got these little clips that clip to like either side of it, so that allows a bit of movement. Obviously, because the wheel turns and moves up and down and all that. So this allows a bit of movement, but then obviously not too much that it can come and get into contact with the wheel and everything. So I quite like that idea. So yeah, that side we've got the other side as well. And like I say, if we go into the car and give the pedal a press, it's a nice firm pedal already, just like that's not even properly bled, it's just being gravity bled either side. So yeah, that's the front brakes. Yeah, like there's a few bits and pieces to get back together on the front here, then I'll put the wheels on and we'll start doing stuff in the back.